Hey guys, it's Dan with Oregon Outdoor Lighting. We're here in Milwaukee. We're always showing you guys these big, huge projects that we do on these really nice homes, these big landscapes. I wanted to show you guys that outdoor lighting is for everybody. We can do projects with 10 lights, 20 lights, and that's what we're gonna show you today. This project was done using 20 lights in a client's backyard. So the first thing that stands out in this backyard is these 3 palm trees. It's kind of a rare thing here in Oregon to see these, so we really wanted to highlight them because they're here. So we just used some V2 spotlights on each of the palm trees. The next main feature of this backyard, on this fence line here, there's wisteria that goes all along the fence line all the way down. So we wanted to highlight those, and we used V2s on that as well. So down here along the rock walls, we use some wall washers just to show off the rock wall. Again, that travels all the way down the length of the yard, so we wanted to highlight that and highlight the shrubs along that wall as well. All right, so now this is the main feature of this backyard. The client has really big picture windows and sliding glass doors at the back of the home where their main living spaces are. And this waterfall and fountain area is right across from that. So we really wanted to show that off. We used 3 S3 underwater lights, 2 in the bottom of the pond and 1 on the top section to really show off this waterfall and the pond underneath. Same theme on the right side of the waterfall as the left. Washers down below for the wall, some washers up top for these shrubs here, and then some V2s on the wisteria and the trees on the right side, and that's it. All right guys, like I said in the beginning, pretty easy, quick, simple install, about 1 day, 20 fixtures. The results speak for themselves. I'm Dan with Oregon Outdoor Lighting. We'll see you next time.